So hello friends, now we will create a pie chart in our Power BI tutorial. So how to create a pie chart? So in visualization pane we have a pie chart here. So we just click over this and we have a format of pie chart with us. We already have a data with us, and that data is this sheet. In this sheet, which include price, product, region, sales span and unit. So the rule for creating a pie chart is like you have a category which have less than 5 elements, like 5 type of elements should be there. If it's more than that, then you are not able to create a very clear pie chart with yourself. So in this case we will take a region here, and region will be taken in our legend. Then we will take sales, and sales will be taken in our values. So we can create a chart. So we have a chart here. Now we have these sides, like this is for your east side, this is for your south, and that's for north and west. So these are our distribution of data in a pie chart. But if you want to see these legends like this east, west, north, south inside this chart, so what we can do, so for that what we will do, we will go to this format your visualization, and then I will go to your detail label, and in detail label we go to label content and all detail label. So everything will come inside that. So let's check whether it's come or not. It's not coming at the moment. Outside I will just increase this size, also value. So I will give it 20. So now it's clear, and it also saying your east, west, north, south. So after doing all detail label, we have this all the information inside this, and now I will make it bold, and we can even have a color also if you want to give it some color. So now this is our pie chart, and if you want to see it focused, so this way we can see it in a focused pie chart, and whichever region we go, we can select that and see the information about that particular region. So that's all from this side in pie chart. So now we will create our donut chart, and to create a donut chart we just go to our screen here and go to the back to reports and go to donut charts. So we already have a sheet here, and here we will create our donut chart. To create a donut chart, we will take this donut chart button in our visualization pane and just click over this. Now we have a format of donut, and in this case we again take our products, or either we can take region. So we will take region here, and after taking region we will take the sales value in our value field. I just drag it to values. So we have a donut chart here, and if you want to increase its size and make our content, like our values content, more bold, then we will go to this format detail label, and I want to take all detail label, and next thing is we go to values and increase its size to 20 and press enter. So now it's look more clear, and we are able to understand our pie chart much better way, how it look and how our chart is showing. So that's all from this video.